Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to unsave pins on Pinterest. So what you're gonna do now, you're gonna just go ahead into opening the Pinterest, and then I'm gonna go ahead and click on my profile at the bottom right, and basically you're gonna be able right here to see your collage, right? And you can just go ahead and click the three dots right here to delete that collage from your savings. So you could just go ahead and delete it. Basically that's it. Another way of doing it, you could just go ahead right here into this photo and save it to your public, let's say for example, profile right here. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and click my profile, right, or the pins right here on my profile, and click right here, this one. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and click the three dots at the top right, and then you can just go ahead and edit the pin right here, right? And basically you can just go ahead right here and click delete this pin and double click to be sure. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.